Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what they say. What you want to say, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want. Say what you want to say, 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 what you want no one.
Gotta get up every morning. Big boss getting richer every minute. Oh no. Big boss on. You gotta get up every morning. Big boss getting richer every minute. Oh no.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing? Markets are moving. Markets are moving. Hope everybody's well. We've been trading this afternoon. Traded a little bit of the London session. We were up 150 bucks at one point. Now we're 100 bucks. Trying to get into some shorts here. Already short the euro. Hope you guys are well. Let's get into it. Little imbalance here left in the ES. Even though ES didn't fail yet, like, you know, these guys failed pretty hard already. These guys failed twice, yeah. So trying to get a short here on the Russell too. A little imbalance left after failing the 15 here. See if we can get tagged in. And then we have shorts running on euro. We've already taken a PT on this. I was gonna just push this other one so we can be half into the position. Alright. The rest of that's in profit, so just sit over here off the screen. So, area to the downside to be watching for Bitcoin is down here. All this is tested already, right? This is all tested. The only thing that wasn't was this right here. And, you know, they played it, but then they dumped it. So now the next thing that's not tested is below this. So below that. Stop's a little wide here on the ES short, so we're just going to do one contract and have kind of a funky stop. I was gonna take a short right here, but you know, it didn't happen. I was watching it, but they didn't give me a retest on it. I'm try to get in now. Might just get stopped out, who knows? It's Friday, the last day of the redemption streaming. Not bad though. We're already, you know, let's see if we can just continue this. We're total P&L of 69 bucks so far. So it would be pretty good if we could continue and not lose it. At one point throughout the day, we're hopefully these connection issues are only here. When I move, I hope they're gone. Should be working, man. Must just be the this VPN that I'm on is not good. It's just the stream. I don't understand. Like the trading software is fine. Okay, I stopped the kick. Maybe that will help. I don't know, man. I don't know, boys, you know? Hopefully it corrects itself. I can't deal with these problems all the time, you know? So stupid. Hopefully it sorts itself out. Running at a 63% frame drop, so that's not good. Anyway, we'll go with it. So I'm gonna push my Russell here. Did we not get filled? There we go. So let's see if this short can print. Wouldn't mind taking a short on Bitcoin if it gets back up here. I don't know if it will, but so one of these are going to be going right here, and then the second one will just be bottom of range here. Right here. Yeah. Those are the targets. At least we're short Russell. At least we're short old man Russell. Decent little retest for Bitcoin. Or this is ETH actually. ETH is the one that failed. Get this on the 15-minute. Bitcoin didn't really leave any kind of gap. Yeah, they already did this here. So we'll see what happens there. It's kind of the next range down here. We'll see. Hopefully we can end the week on a positive note here. We're basically break even for the week. I think we're up a couple $100, maybe not much, but had a little problem midweek. Trading progression on the NQ. Not the greatest. Not the greatest, but it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. What's going on, Jay? Nice, you shorted NQ. Nice. I was short earlier, but I took profits before the bottom here. It's just like a scalp, and then it was like, oh shit. Trying to get short on ES. I just shorted on Russell. But good job, man. Yeah, once NQ gained this, I was trying to short too. But I did, but not, I didn't let it run. I still have a short working on Euro. The Dixie looks pretty good to go, right? Looks okay. Let's see what happens there. Yeah, I'm just trying to, like, with this short, I'm even just trying to get this range, you know what I mean? Even if I got short here, I would just be looking for, like, this and like down here. Maybe this. This one's just one contract anyway, it's not a big deal. David coming in with the YouTube sub. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Oh, that'd be dope. Jay, if you do, look me up. Make sure. Let me know. I'll take you around. I'll show you what's going on. Oh, it's in September? I might not even be here. I might be in Thailand. I think I will be in Thailand still. It's too bad. I can still give you the lowdown on like things to go see and do. if you want. Lots of cool shit to do around here, man. Especially if you're just here for, I'm kind of bored with it. I've been here for 3 years, right? So a bit bored with it, but it's, you know, if you're new, you're just coming for 2 weeks or something, fuck, man, it's awesome. Like, there's tons and tons of shit to do. Yeah, man, I have suggestions at the wazoo. You won't be able to do them all. You know what I mean? Like, there's so many, you know. How long are you going to be here for, you think? You want to try surfing? Yeah. Batu Balang Beach, Canggu. It's probably the best spot for that. The waves are a bit rough. If you wanted a little bit not rough, then you go to Seminyak Beach. I see. 1 week with work, 1 week your own time. Yeah, you can get a lot done though. There's lots of cool places, not just in South Bali too. Like you'll need to travel around a little bit, but you should. There's lots of cool shit to see, man. If you like hiking, you should hike Mount Batur. It's fucking dope. You go up there at sunrise. You get a guide. They take you up, and like really, it's the best sunrise I've ever seen in my whole life. The sun rises over top of these volcanoes, and it's fucking crazy, man. Like the sun in the morning when you're that high, it shoots off like rainbows and shit. It's nuts. And then there's Ahmed to the east. Pretty good for snorkeling and stuff there. And then honestly, you should go to Gili T. It's an island. It's probably about a 4-hour journey, but you got to take a boat there, but it's still pretty cool. And then Nusa Penida too is another cool little island that's just off the coast. Yeah, it's fucking epic, you know what I mean? Really, it is. There's so much shit packed into one island. It's nuts. Go ATVing in Ubud. There's also ATVing on the beach. Yeah, it's all pretty dope, man. Kind of take it for granted a bit because I've been here for so long. I've done it all. Can't just keep doing the same things, you know what I mean? But it's good. I might get stopped out of this. Close. Just reject, man. I'd like to have a nice positive week. I really, you know, I didn't have the best week this week in trading. You know, I know it happens, but I mean, it's not the worst. It's not the worst week ever. I really had a rough day here, man, on ES. I got caught up like trading progression on ES, and it was just the worst ever. I lost $400. It's terrible for this size account. Made it back a bit, but still not the greatest. Really bad trading here. It was like I was brand new. Yeah, no worries, man. Happy to assist, you know. If you need a place to stay, let me know. I can even rent. I have villa rental business here, right? I have 4 villas. So I can put you guys up. You'll have to pay for it, but because I'm running a business. But I can put you guys up at a deal. I'll give you a deal on it if you need. I got a pretty epic one in Prairie, and then 3 in Umalas area. Umalas is a pretty good area. It's like really central, so you can get everywhere pretty fast. And Prairnan's like the premium place. Pretty okay spot for them to hold it, you know, on ES. Looks like the stream is back to normal. At least a little bit. It's green, at least. Before it was not green, it was red. Red, no good. Should just push one of these right now. Whatever happens, happens, yeah. There's still this imbalance up here they could test. But that's okay. Getting my performance back on the account. Let's go. Over $100 again. Let's go. Total P&L 134. That's including the open positions. Even if I ended with that, it would be fine. This ES is kind of getting away from me here. I'm going to take this order off. It's too bad. Too bad they didn't pump this first and then do this. It's a close one, you know? It's hard for me, man, when I'm trying to do this account challenge where I'm growing an account from $500, right? It's fucking hard because you really gotta be careful with the balance, right? You really got to be careful with the risk, and like, the only way I can figure out how to do it is I figure that I need to move my stops up like immediately, and just whatever ones I get, and what ones I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I get stopped out a lot, but at least I don't get any big stops. At least that's the plan. I always know where the, I'm pretty accurate with my entries. connected to a different VPN, so it looks like it's the software likes that location better. Somewhere in Malaysia. Not getting it like super high pings anymore. So good. So good, let's go. Oh, that's brutal, Jay. That sucks. Mine was $400, and the only reason was because I was a stupid idiot, and I started trying to trade progression. I got caught up in like down here on the ES. Where is it? I can't remember exactly where, dude. Maybe it was here. I think it was here. Because I knew like we were close to the end, right? I think it was in this area. And I was trading the 1 minute in this area. I was down $700 at one point. I smashed in here. Thank God. And I took all profits here. So instead of 7, it was 4. But still, it was still pretty bad. Like the account size is small, right? Like the account size is like, you know, $1,700 today. $1,800. $1,900. Pretty good though for I've only been doing this 3 weeks and I started with 500, so not bad. 500 or 600. I'm gonna get the crypto account up soon. I've just been lazy. I haven't put money over there yet. Yeah, it's, you know, if I figure at first I'm just gonna try to do like, you know, $100 to $300 per day. Just try to get that. That's why I'm always pushing fucking $25 profits. You know what I mean? Just like trying to pad the bank a bit, you know. And I'm moving my stops up just to protect the account. But I think after I grow it to $5,000, I'm gonna set up a prop firm also, and then I'll copy trade both. When you copy trade, I don't know, do you copy trade on Top Step or whatever, or on Apex or whatever you're using? You can copy trade, right? Can you copy? I wonder if you can copy trade like my AMP account with the futures with the prop firm account. And like the prop firm account, I'd like to trade like the minis, and this one I'd like to trade the micros. Yeah, you can copy. Yeah, okay. I was looking at this other one too. I don't know if I'm gonna use Apex for a lot of nightmares from the people not getting paid and stuff. Checked out this one. This one looks pretty cool. Fast track trading. There's no evaluation period, but it's a little bit more expensive. $179 for the $25,000 one. But there's literally no evaluation period. You just start trading right away. The only rule is there's also no rules. Like, you know, there's no like rules about news or anything like that. You know, I don't know, like most prop firms, like you can't trade the news, or there's things like that you have to pay attention to. But this one doesn't have any rules. The only rules is like you can't lose more than 5% of the account, I believe. Alright, maybe it's under here. And oh yeah, and there's consistency rules, so you need to be 20% consistent. Cannot exceed 20%, so you can't have any like super banger days and super low days. You need to like kind of keep it consistent. I think Apex has a rule like that too, and so does Top Step. And then there's no daily loss limit. There's no trailing shit either. It's just like 5%. So I don't know. It looked interesting anyway. Yeah, exactly. That's stupid. Really, that's dumb, man. I don't know why they do that, man. They probably just they don't want people coming in and just YOLOing, you know what I mean? And just like, okay, 20 contracts on the CPI day or whatever. You know? Yeah, it's funny. I have to grow these small accounts yet because I used all my funds to buy these stupid villas. So now I'm villa rich, but I don't have any. My trading accounts are all small again. But I figured, you know, I got nothing but time, you know, at this point, so I can just grow them again. It's fine. Shouldn't take that long. And at least I have like some, you know, stress-free income coming in from the villas. I can just focus just on trading. Well, there's really not too much to do or say now at this point. I'm not taking it long until they lose this range, until we get, like, they're, you know, this is all tested already, so, you know, they're most likely coming down here. Let's see what happens there. Here. Specifically, here. You know? So we'll see what happens in this range. And Q is the same kind of deal. And Q is probably this one here though. Oh great, wrong tool, man. Wrong tool, bro. Down here. I think it's unfortunate, man. I was in shorts already today. I sold them all. Like this short's working out still. Not too bad. And these micro accounts, not too bad. Not too bad on the micros. Had a like, look at my afternoon, man. You know what I mean? I did so great, and then it all fell apart. This was me trying to long ES and NQ on the dump. This area here. This area. Took a few attempts at it. Didn't work out. We should look at the news, yeah? Any news coming? What's on the agenda? Oh, nothing. No economic releases. Okay, see you next week. No economic releases. All right. Yeah, I hope we get some selling down to this area. I think the same. You know, all this is tested, right? So I hope we take out these lows, and then once we take out those lows, then I can look for longs. Just started using this quant tower. It's way better than TradingView. TradingView really I just keep it around because the data on it's so cheap. So stuff like, you know, Dixie or anything I want to look at, I can look at it. But for like execution and trading, this one's way better. Just cold chilling here, waiting for the dump. It's gonna be a boring day because no news or anything. At open, we'll see a little bit of a dump, and then see what happens from there. started booking our places for Thailand. You guys want to see? Try to find it. Market's so boring right now. Oh, a little bit of a dump here on Russell. Good. Dump it. Should just take that $40 and hit the road. I really should go here, man. This is the only untested thing. How's the tax in Bali? Yeah, dude. I left. What was happening in Canada? I left. That's why. One of the reasons I left, they were taking half my money. Half of everything I was making, they were taking. I was like, "Fuck this, man. This isn't worth it." Tax here is awesome because, you know, in Indonesia, I would say that only 10% of the population even pays tax. They have no, there's no infrastructure to catch people. But even if you pay, it's fucking nothing, man. It's so cheap. All they care is that you pay, is that you, like, for sales tax, they care you pay your sales tax on, for when I do villa rentals. So they care that I pay the VAT, 11%. That's all. I'm gonna flatten this now, boys. Thank you. Probably go a bit lower, but let's go. That's a nice little redemption. The W for the giant win, Let's win it. W for winning. So it's pretty close. It was only like another $10 to there, so whatever. This is the place that I'm looking at we're gonna stay in Bangkok. It's nothing too special, but it's like, this is gonna be my stream setup right here, boys. I'm gonna set it up right there. Right there. My girlfriend right there. Streaming. Girlfriend. Nothing too fancy, but we're gonna be here for a week. I hope the internet's good. All right, I'm gonna push this now too. Thank you. Put this down to 1. Modify. Thank you very much. Thank you, markets. Just move this up just a bit. All right, thanks. Thank you. Yeah, it is cheaper to eat out than even here in Bali. It's the same thing. It's cheaper to eat out than get groceries. We get groceries to some things. My girl is Indonesian, right? So she likes to cook her Indonesian food. So if you go to like the local markets, it's not too bad. It's pretty cheap. Like we just went there today and we spent, I don't know, maybe like $15 and we got like a giant two big bags full of food, like for fruits and vegetables and all kinds of stuff like that. But yeah, it's very cheap to eat out, especially if you eat local. It's like free almost. You can get a meal delivered to your hand for like, for US, probably like $3.50. The cost of living here is so cheap, it's ridiculous. Like me and my girl, we live off of like US, I would say $1,500 a month, maybe something like that. $1,500 US a month for two of us. Maybe $1,800 US a month for two. It's a really good deal. The prices of like back home, the prices of rent just got out of control too. And the price of everything just got out of control and not worth it anymore, you know? I wish they had the bracketing a little bit better on this stuff. It's not very good. I'm gonna try to get a new low here for this last runner or a stop out. Probably a stop out. Just get this a bit higher here. All right. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, so this is where we're gonna stay. It's right on Sukhumvit Road, or near Sukhumvit, Nana area, or on Newt. It's all right. We'll be okay. I just hope the internet's decent, man. You know, it's like a big trick everywhere I go with the internet. I came here and I tested the internet and it was fine, and then after a day and a half, it was shit. You know, the connectivity it's never good. Everywhere I go, the connectivity is not good. So it might be fine for like 5 minutes, and then you get dropped connections all over the place all the time. It's kind of the problem, island problems, you know. Yeah, no doubt. They have Starlink. Some people have it here. Yeah, some people have it. Nice little reconnection there on OBS. Why, man? Apologize for the streaming problem, boys. Okay, are we back? Are we back or what? Did everybody leave because the stream was fucking up all over the place? Really a bit brutal today. I think I'm gonna leave it like that though, man. I think I'm gonna leave. I think I'm gonna be done for trading for today. That's not bad, man. Really. Not bad, and then I have my one running. I'll leave that running. Nice, quick, easy day. I think it's gonna be kind of a boring day today, man. Anyway. Maybe this will hold. There's a little something in here. Maybe. I think this is coming down here. We're gonna lose this. Apologize for the streaming issues, boys. We're having some harsh island connectivity issues. Quick look at the Dixie. Oh yeah, this still looks good to go, man. This looks good to go. This looks good to go. Higher than that. Maybe this. Nah. This is tested. I think we're going higher than this. Who knows how high, really? Could go all the way to here. This is kind of like the next thing, right? And then this. Box, so wide box. The bottom of it's tested, so in somewhere in there, I think. So it's a lot for for this. I think we can easily get that target. It's front run, right? Front run of this stuff. Just new low, that's all I'm looking for. I'm glad we're finishing off the day here decently. That could have been a nightmare. I should have made double what I made, man. I made $170. I was at 140 this afternoon, you know? And then I brought it all the way back to up 15. Yeah, I pretty much lost it all. Brutal. Pretty good bounce back though. Can't be hating on that. Get these all into trading view or in trader sync, I mean. If you guys haven't checked out trader sync yet, exclamation point TS in chat. It's pretty good. I've been loving it so far. Pretty good, I think. This is how you add the trades. First, you got to put them in an Excel sheet. Let's have a look. Not too bad. 200%. 64% win rate. You can see I had a little trouble here on the NQ this afternoon. Not bad. And honestly, if I take that out of there, it would have been a great day. I still have a running trade. And then if we just take the week Sunday to Sunday, yeah, that is. So up 25% of the account. Not bad. It's not the 181% we had last week, but so that's okay. And then we still have, oh yeah, this trade's still open. It didn't count them. M6E, yeah, it didn't count any of the wins from this one yet, because it's still going. So I'll have to update with that when it's finished. Not bad. At least we had another positive week. Plus 25%. You know, if you plus your account 25% every week, I don't know, you'll be doing all right, man. I should have been more though, man, really. It should have been like another 100% week, honestly. I had some pretty bad fuck ups this week. To get those under control. I have a big problem with pushing targets too, man. I always push targets when it's like close and they end up hitting anyway. Bad for that. So keep an eye on the YouTube channel. I will be doing an update and I'll go through all the trades from the week. There's probably going to be a lot. I was scalping, so there's going to be a whole bunch. I'm just going to do the general ideas, I think. But we'll go through it all. Try to keep myself accountable here for the shit that I do. Really, I should have had better than this, man. Look, this biggest loser. Take that out. and we're, you know, then we're laughing. This one can't happen like that again. This bullshit. 1 minute progression I was playing. Even this E or this NQ that I was trying to long on the dump, it's fucking stupid, man. Really is. It's bad trading here. I did like all the levels were tested in that area. I don't know what the fuck I was doing. Should not have been fucking playing that. Even just take that out just today and I would have done way better. It would have been an extra $120. It's huge on this account, man. This account's only at $2,000. I gotta remember that I don't have a $100,000 account anymore. Even if I had a $100,000 account, I can't be doing stupid, plays like that. Dumb. Just take my little profits and hit the road. Be right back, boys. What's up, boys? I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back to the party. What are we doing? Still dumping? Okay. Not too much left to do here. I closed off my dump trades. We need wait until we're below this. Maybe down here for NQ. Maybe here. Maybe. See what's going on down there when we get there. And then for this guy, maybe down here. Really, that's it's gonna be a very boring day. Pretty boring day. At least we made money today, and we're ending the week on a high note. We're ending the week plus 26% on the account or so. Not too shabby. The small account challenge is intact. We are killing it. Week 1, 181%. Week 2, 28%. What will week 3 bring? I don't know. Honestly, I'd be happy with doing, if we can do around 20% per week, that's huge, man. I'm happy with that. Even if we did 10% per week, that would be fine. But 20% is kind of where we should be at, where we should be aiming for. At least for the first little while, till we get it up to 5 grand. After 5 grand, we'll probably just continue growing at the same rate. I'll probably stop scalping so much and try to get into some proper trades. But decent win rate, man. 64% win rate. Not bad. Not too shabby. Made that much money so far in like maybe 3 weeks. Since July 22nd. It's gonna be the worst because I need to explain this on the on the video. That was really bad, man. So bad, really. These trades. How was the trading this stuff today? So these ones were 15-minute gain retest. These ones were 1 minute. I was playing the 1 minute on all this. Oh, not this. M60 is not. This, and then Q. Yeah, it's this too. Okay. Cool. Cool, man. Cool. ES is the best one so far that we trade. NQ, second best. Looks like at 6 o'clock we don't do too well. Pre-market. I don't know if that's just from today or what, but yeah. I'm just gonna wait for the open here, boys. We'll see the open, see what happens. If there's any furious dumps, maybe we can get into a trade long. But it's probably gonna be no more trading today, I think. I'm just gonna have this run out and see what happens. We're stops in profit here, so yes, OTC to that. So, not too much to talk about, you know. For Bitcoin, I know some of you boys like the Bitcoin. We did have a 4-hour gain, right? We gained this too. So this is basically a daily gain now. So coming back and testing into this, I like this area the best down here. But testing back down into that area makes sense for me. So I'll be looking for trades in there. I'd like to be at the chart. I'll put out a notification if I get into a trade, because I'd like it to be a leverage long. And I'd like to target new highs. Really though, like, you know, let's just look at the longer time frame here. You know, they're still just in the failure spot, right? Like they're just failing the failure spot on the daily. So this wasn't a daily gain, it's just a 4-hour gain, which is okay, it's fine. But you know, it's a few areas to the downside that could hold. So those are the areas that we're going to be looking for entries. So we'll get this on there too. So a few areas to the downside, right, to be looking at. If you're looking at the 4-hour chart, this is the 4-hour swing. So this is the order block that they gained, right? So this is the order block that has untested levels now, right? So this is all untested underneath. This whole order block is untested. So we'll see how deep they bring it. We'll be looking on the 15-minute for entries, right? So, you know, as they come down into the level, We'll be looking for something like this, and then taking a stab at it. Stop here. Stopped out. Wait again till a gain. Take a stab at it. Stopped out. Wait again for a gain until it works. It's kind of the situation. Because I want to get into like a high leverage position. And who knows, they may even just hold the top of this, and then we'll be shit out of luck. But I would like them to come down here and you know, do something down here. Have some 15-minute action down here where we can gain it. Would be nice. Make sure you guys keep an eye on the YouTube channel for the trade update for the $500 to $100,000 challenge. We'll be going through all the trades of the week, and you know, really laying it out there and just going through every mistake and everything, right? So should be good. Week 3. Hope we don't have a down week. Got to be very careful while we're doing this challenge not to have down weeks. Makes for better videos if you don't. Okay, we got market open in about 14 minutes. Next candle will be the open. So I think they're gonna dump it on the open, and then honestly, I'll probably end up just pushing if the euro dumps. I'll probably just push it. And then just be flat going into the weekend. I got a bunch of sweet, let me show you guys. I got a bunch of sweet YouTube thumbnails for the backgrounds. Check these out. I don't know which ones exactly I'm going to use. I got a whole bunch done. This one's pretty cool. This one's alright too. This one's good with the orange coming in on the side. Pretty cool, man. Maybe do up a few more for like crypto related ones. Change the thumbnail for crypto. Or maybe I'll just continue changing the thumbnail all the time anytime I post a video. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I have not decided yet, guys. Euro's pretty close to a stop here. Pretty stoked just to get back into my office, man. Really can't. This fucking streaming on the road is kind of rough. Internet issues all the time, you know. Like, I'm over it. I have a compact setup. Like, I have 2 monitors, but like they're small. At my office, I have a 49-inch and a TV above it. All right, man. 8 minutes to go. Eight minutes until freedom. 8 minutes. It looks like this zero is gonna get stopped out. If it doesn't reject right here, right now. Just reject, man. Hate you. It's all right. Stop and profit. All right. That's what we're ending with today. This is what we are going to end with today. This is like, it's missing some of my trades. I did some trades at like noon. Yeah, look, the first trade here is not until 1. It's missing a couple trades. Maybe it's on yesterday's. Oh yeah, it is. Oh no. Yeah, I don't know. But regardless, this is what we're gonna end with today. Not too bad, you know. $169 profit. 69. Pop this in the Discord for you guys too. Keep myself transparent, you know. I'm going to make 100 grand from a $500 account. I better track it all, right? This is going in the Discord. Yeah. Session data. And then I should also just pop the trader link. Maybe I can pin that too. What's up, Mariusz? Thank you for stopping in, man. I appreciate you. It's a pretty slow day today anyway, man. Most of the trading happened before the market, before I even got to the stream. But not bad. 169 on the day. It's not too bad, you know. And I don't want to take any more trades, you know. I'm not really interested in this range anymore. Everything's tested. So the next thing is maybe down here, you know, maybe here. So let's see what happens at market open. If market open goes there, then we can look at taking a trade. Oh, did I close that chart? Yeah, I just got stopped out of this in profit, so it's okay. Done with that trade anyway. Just keep it over here just so we can see what happens to it. Really, this was a lot of trading though that happened. How many trades did I take? 91. Jesus. So that's a lot, dude. Does that count? Oh, that counts for the stops and everything. Oh, it's not that much if you count the stops and everything, each contract. So I gotta redo the trade data, I guess, from today. Boom. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, that's wrong. I wish there was a way I could have this so it automatically kept all the things, you know? See what the final numbers are here for the week. This shouldn't have been break even. I took profit on it. I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's because I did get stopped out earlier, so maybe that's why. That's probably why. It's break even. I got stopped out once before, earlier, when I was trading this. Yeah, see, I was trading this in the afternoon. I think it takes a day for the chart to get in there. See, this software's pretty cool, man. Like, cause it, you know, has the chart and has where you took the trades. This chart's kind of funky, but this was just a play off this. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty neat, man. Anyway, ending the week, 62% win rate. Cumulative returns of 206, up from 181. So that's not bad. Account balance about 2100. The account balance is a little funky too, because I don't think it accounts for all the fees totally correctly, because the real account balance is a little bit lower than that. Real account balance is at 19, not 21, so off by a bit. Nothing I can do about that though. Just, it's fine. I don't care too much. Don't care too much about it. Not bad. Not a bad week, but had some real bad moves here, you know? Like this on NQ was just a shit show. Really. I wish I could get in here and see the trades that I was doing in here. The chart's not here yet. Mistakes. Revenge traded. Did not wait for setup. What other mistakes did I do here? Happened here yesterday. If this one's fucked up, I don't know what's going on here. Not too sure about that guy. I'm sure there was a mistake to be had there though. This one. Like, look how many fucking trades I took here. I was trying to long this first. And then when we were down here, I was still trying to long this. You know? Took some profit targets and stuff, just like little ones, but like, you know, for the most part, I was just getting stopped out. Really bad. Like it was making new highs and then making new lows and then making new highs and making new lows. It was terrible, man. Like really bad trading. And then I smashed in here on a revenge trade and then sold it out here. Sold it way too early. I ended up losing $400 in this fucking disaster. Really. If we just take this out of the trading week, then I would have had an extra $400. Brutal. This. Nothing really to write home about. Apologize for the disconnection there, boys. Still think we could go a little bit lower. But we will see. We shall see, yeah? We shall see. Just get this in there. Yeah, a little bit of buying off that dip first. There's still an untested level right here, you know. Little gap, you know. And Q, there's one too. Gap right here. basically at it. Point stop though, man. If I would have had would have had the order there, it would have been fired already, and we would have been good. Should have. Should have took that, man. Really? Yeah, it's kind of over now. I should have took that, man. Really, I called it out, you know. Just kind of, I was kind of in the mindset of just being done, you know. And then they went and did it. They didn't quite get to the gap, but pretty much. I always front run it, so I would, you know, my order would have been above here. On the 1 minute it's here, so I don't know, maybe. I don't really like the 1 minute ones though, honestly. I like the 15-minute ones. Russell getting down to this area, little area here for it to bounce. We'll see if it does. You know, there is a little spot here. You can just get one in right now and just, you know, that's it. Nah. We're just gonna be done for the week, boys. Did a lot of trading this week. I just don't want to do it anymore. Just to end on a positive note. Yeah, we're finished. We have the account in the positive, right? Today could have been a really bad day, man. Like we had a rough time when NQ dumped it. So still think this area down here it looks pretty good for the futures. And I really think ES is gonna lose this range. Same kind of area right down here. Bitcoin, we've already talked about Bitcoin, right? Somewhere between 59.3 and 57.8 in that range. And the middle thing is this over here. It's just like kind of a broad level. The last time they gained this. So this is it's kind of where we're at. Still think a bit down. I really should have took that short though. Stupid not to. But that's okay. We live to fight another day. We live to fight another day, and this week was good. We were ending the week this week. With the 62% win rate overall, cumulative returns of 206%. Account balance is about 2,100. This is a little off because I don't think it's calculating fees correctly. If we look at just the past week. So just the past week, we did $800, almost 900. Probably around 800 after the fees and stuff. On 57% win rate. And then 25% return. Not bad. You know, when you're up 25% on the account in 1 week, that's still pretty good. It's not the banger week we had last week, but it's okay. It could have been very easily, man, if I just didn't fuck around so much. You know, there was two really bad things here. The one, NQ today was bad. If I didn't have that today, this NQ, I would have had it would have been double what I made today. And then here, I lost like $400 in one session. On this account. On this $2,000 account, I lost like 25% of it. In one session. Can't have that. So, you know, we'll fix those mistakes. I'll tighten up the screws a bit. Not get so loosey goosey on the fucking progression. So yeah, I think that's basically gonna be it for today. I've been trading long, right? Like I've been trading since, you know, this afternoon, since like 2. So long time. I put in like a full day today of trading. So it's okay. Thank you guys all for stopping in, everybody who did. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you check out the YouTube. I'll get the top 50 crypto video out. So make sure to check that out. Again, apologies for the fucking stream. It's shit because the internet's shit here. So there's nothing much I can do. We're about T-minus 10 days to Bangkok. So soon I'll be in, after next week, I'll be going to Bangkok. All right. And then streams might be a bit sparse. I don't know. It depends on connectivity there. All right, boys. Until next time. Peace.